Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a monitor. First, carefully unpack your new monitor and all its accessories from the box. Next, assemble the stand and securely attach it to the monitor, often with just a few screws. Finally, position your monitor on a sturdy, flat desk or table, making sure there is ample space for air circulation around it. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Now, let's connect the necessary cables. Take your video cable, such as an HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C, and plug one end into your computer's video output and the other into the corresponding port on your monitor. Then, connect the power cable to the monitor and plug it into a reliable wall outlet. Double-check that all connections are snug and fully seated for optimal performance. With the cables connected, it's time to power everything on. Press the power button on your monitor, then start your computer. Once your desktop appears, navigate to your operating system's display settings. Here, you can select the recommended screen resolution for your monitor, typically its native resolution. Take a moment to fine-tune the brightness, contrast, and color settings to suit your personal preference and lighting conditions. To enhance your workspace, consider adding a second monitor. Many modern computers support 2 or more displays. If you experience any display problems, like flickering or incorrect resolution, ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. For specific features, like picture-in-picture or gaming modes, consult your monitor's user manual. Enjoy your newly set up monitor and its clear display.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.